Okay, hi there, Heavy Duty Motorcycles, Mansfield. Part two of this, some work we're doing on this Fatboy, and here's Ian, the proud owner. We just talked about the big bore conversion that we did on it recently, and the difference in power that has given him, the difference in the whole experience. But it's kind of thrown up one or two issues, and also Ian's got the bit between his teeth in terms of turning this lovely bike into his own unique bike. So Ian, just tell us what your thoughts are, what you've brought it in for this time for us to do.
Well, where to start? We are going to proper overhaul the bike this time, I think. So, starting from the front, I'm going to change the handlebars, find a couple of styles that I've liked that I think will suit me. We're going to go to the seat, totally change the seat, because I don't think this riding position, I know you guys were saying from before, the handling, it seems to affect it, especially the bars in the seat. I think it's a big part of it. Especially when I've got the big bore kit and I'm flying into corners, and at some points I'm like, is it going to go round or not? It scares me off to death. So yeah, start with them minor bits, we're going to get rid of them. The rear fender, this is going to come fully off. We're going to have a nice short one that tucks around the wheel, really exposes that big wide back tyre. Pete and Nick obviously recommended the air suspension, so we're going to put in this new air suspension on.
Yep.
So we can lower it right to the floor and get it sat right down. That's the real look I want to go for. What else? The foot plates, we're going to be changing those. The air filter, we're going to have a nice big one that's coming off the side. Once again, one that you guys recommended, really great looking one.
Yeah.
Even down to the gear changer, the brake lever, I think we're going to change those.
Yes.
We're going to have a new brake line, so new handlebars. I think that's about it. Have we missed anything?
Are we doing anything with the front? I can't remember the front.
Oh yeah, front, of course. Yeah, same again. We're going to get rid of the front fender. Get one that's cut a lot lower to it. That's going to go along with the sleek look of the rest of the bike. It's going to be a lot smaller. Hug the tyre a lot better. So when we can air it out and it's all finished, it'll sit right and low, and it's going to look super sleek.
Great. And what are we doing paintwork wise?
I'm really fond of this same paintwork, so I'm hoping to carry this on from the tank. So probably simmer on the front end so it'll flow to the bike, and then maybe same with the pinstripe, but we'll have it flare up onto the short fender in some sort of point. I think I'm not 100% sure yet.
Okay, great.
Something I think is going to flow and it's going to look great.
Great. Well, Ian, thank you so much for trusting us with this work and with your baby. Again, it's one of those jobs that there's a lot of discussion goes into a custom job like this. Obviously, we've had some time sitting together, pouring through all the catalogues and making decisions and putting budgets together. But also, then the bike's just arrived today. It's going to be here for a little while, and we'll be speaking to Ian along the way, because there's some fabrication that's required, and also things like the colour scheme and one or two accessories. I think also you want some powder coating done, don't you? There's a bit of
just lets the bike down around here on the primary. It's just flaking off. It's I think after we're going to all these lengths, we need to do the whole lot. Get it looking awesome.
Well, it's going to be a totally unique bike, and what you already know, you've done the important part, having all the engine work done, but this is going to enhance it. The previous owner, because Ian's not had this bike long, was quite short, and so had one of these seats which actually pushes you forward slightly. It's designed for shorter people, and then these particular bars are pulled back, and so consequently a little cramped on it if you're Ian's height, which was affecting the handling. But it's going to handle better, as well as having the extra power, and it's going to look absolutely superb. So we'll make an interim video as we go along, Ian, and really look forward to introducing to your new bike when it's all done.
Oh, absolutely, me too.
All right, thanks so much, Ian. It's Heavy Duty Motorcycles in Mansfield signing off. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.